Pip freeze versus pip list. Why does pip list generate a more comprehensive list than pip freeze? Pip's documentation states. What is a requirements format?
One may generate a requirements.txt via. A user can use this requirements.txt file to install all the dependencies. For instance, the packages need to be in a specific format for pip to understand, such as that is the requirements format. Here, Django = 1.4.2 implies install Django version 1.4.2, even though the latest is 1.6.x. If you do not specify == 1.4.2, the latest version available would be installed. You can read more in virtualenv and pip basics, and the official requirements file format documentation.
To answer the second part of this question, the two packages shown in pip list but not pip freeze are setup tools, which is easy_install, and pip itself. It looks like pip freeze just doesn't list packages that pip itself depends on. You may use the all flag to show also those packages. From the documentation, all do not skip these packages in the output, pip, setup tools, distribute, wheel.
The main difference is that the output of pip freeze can be dumped into a requirements.txt file and used later to reconstruct the frozen environment. In other words, you can run pip freeze is greater than frozen requirements.txt on one machine and then later on a different machine on a clean environment. You can do pip install a frozen requirements.txt. And you'll get an identical environment with the exact same dependencies installed as you had in the original environment where you generated the frozen requirements.txt.
Look at the pip documentation, which describes the functionality of both as pip list. List installed packages including editables. Pip freeze. Output installed packages in requirements format. So there are two differences. Output format. Freeze gives us the standard requirement format that may be used later with pip install or to install requirements from. Output content. Pip list include editables which pip freeze does not.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.